Alright, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a mock-up image background like the one in my last video. Link in description. Okay, first, get an image from background options. The one with the leather texture or something. Okay, now go over to the option for brightness and stuff. Tap on the one that says noise. Adjust the alpha and place at a value less than 40, and enhance, at about 12. Next, save the image. Return to the default display. Move over to the background image options once again. Select this image. Take the brightness down to -100. Take saturation down to -100 as well. Then enable vignette and make little adjustments. Here, you select image size of your choice, just like I used a YouTube thumbnail size. You may also input width and height manually. Save the image. Now, set it as background image.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
You may now import the previous image. Set at a suitable angle. That'll be all. If you like the thumbnail for this video, you can check out its tutorial through link in description or at the end of this video.